Hmm? What happened to your hair? Hmm? Did something get out of control? Huh? Hi. Joey, come. Did you get a little out of control when Mommy left the room? Hmm? What'd you do? Did you spill it? Did you spill it or did you throw it? Did you fling it around like this, Emily? Look, did you go like this? Huh? With your spoon? You don't know what you did? You're gonna put your feet up. Do you know that you have oatmeal everywhere?